Good morning, my name is Rick Beaudin, and I would like to invite you today to look at some of the tractors that I have, my collector series tractors I have coming up on the BigIron auction. I got into this tractor hobby about 25 years ago, and I've owned many of them. We restored all these tractors personally. Some of them were bought quite of the way finished, and then we finished them up, but most of them we restored. And so Thursday, July the 1st, we will be having an open house, and you're invited to come back and look at the tractors and sit on them or whatever you would like to do, and at least be able to see exactly how they've been redone. These are all pretty high-level restorations, and so I think they speak for themselves in person.